Hey Lou, I'm going to record this video for you here to show you how to enter the contacts. Then I'm going to go through a quick dial session. But let me just find the names of the people that you gave me here, first of all. Don't know why it's doing that. Okay. Okay, so you got Hawk Machine and E Machine, Todd and Russ. Todd and Russ. Okay. So I guess since I don't have the company names, I got to go to dial sessions. And then I gotta view my dial sessions. Okay. And now I gotta find um, those particular accounts. So basically, I'm just gonna go to details and look at the details, and I'm gonna be able to tell who. Okay, so like right here, I can tell this is machine engineering. And that's Todd Johnson. So machine engineering. I'm gonna write that down. And I see Russ too. Machine engineering. I don't need to manually enter them, obviously, because these are already in there. I thought at first that you meant people that you were going to enter, because you can manually enter contacts, like if they weren't in your leads here, but you don't need to do that because they're already here. So basically, we were just talking about sending an email, so I'll show you how to do it manually, but it will do it within the system, like I said. Um, so here's the first one, Todd Johnson. I am going to enter his email because here under email here, once you enter that, then you can actually send it manually, or if you would have entered it within the dial session, and hopefully I'll run into that when I do my dial session, then it'll automatically do it for you. So Todd E-Machine, I'm just going to put that in there. So now, okay, so now you have an email. Okay, so his email's in there. So now I can just go send email. All right. And now when you do this, you have to manually select the email. Okay. If you were doing it in the system, it's already programmed into the dial session. So this is the email that we're sending, hoping to help. Okay. And don't mess with any of this because this is all set to put his name on there. So this is the email. Um, the intro email basically. It tells a lot in a little bit of time, tells some of our major customers. And here's the two links to the catalog. And you can see I changed the signature, your signature and your email. So now all we got to do here, don't make sure you don't push send test, otherwise it'll send it to you. So you just right here, send the email, and as you can see, it's sent. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my contacts, and I'm looking for Loya Machine, Russ. So I could do all this and look here. Otherwise, I can do this. I know his name is Russ, right? So I can push Russ, first name equals, or starts with, but so I know his name is Russ. I'm going to search him that way. And you see he came up, and in this one, you actually already entered it. So I'm going to go ahead and just send him another email just in case. But you actually, good job, you entered the email on this one already. So same thing, send email, pre-written, copy, send email. Okay. Now, just to show you something here, let's say that you had an appointment. This is what you would do within phoneburner. You'd add an event. Let's say the guy says, call me back next Tuesday. This is how you add something to the calendar. Okay. Just push add event. And let's see. So it would, here. Okay. So let's just go to next week. Then I would just put enter add event. Okay. And then I would just write a note, blah blah blah, call him back on cutters, whatever. Um, all day event. Let's just say yes, recurring event. And then if you go here, this is important too because it'll send you a reminder so you don't have to remember it off the top of your head. Let's just say it'll send you a reminder 2 hours before the call's due. So that's how you set up an appointment. And usually you'll be doing that within the session. So now I'm going to actually do a dial session for you. I'm just going to kind of make sure your settings are okay. There's one thing I wanted to change. Actually, no. I'm not actually not going to change anything. I just want to see if the call recording thing here is all set up. Call recording experience. Okay, well, anyways, we'll have to worry about the call recording later. For now, let's just do a quick dial session. I'll burn through here and show you how you do the one-touch emails. Hopefully, we'll run into some people, but again, click left, begin dial session. Okay, I set up my script. Your intro voicemail is in here. Default settings are set. Continue. I'm going to make my call. Oh, wow, it didn't even make me enter the thing. So, okay, cool. So now, I'll start dialing. So now I'm live. Industrial machine. See, his name is Scott Briggs. Now I'm going to go to the phone script so I can look at it. And what I like to do when you get quick at it, you can do it this way. Like I'll put the name in here, and then actually move the company where it's supposed to be, which is right here. Hey, is this Scott? Oh, hey Scott, my name is Bill Davis. I'm with a company called Midwest Industrial Supply. You might have seen us online or maybe at the trade shows. We're actually one of the largest dealers of surplus tooling and supplies in the country, and our prices are about 15 to 20% better than MSC. I just wanted to see if I could maybe start sending you my monthly email specials. Would that be okay? You're not interested in saving money? Okay, not interested. My pitch wasn't so good either on that one, Lou. It was my first one. So, Raul, bad number. So we're gonna, it says it's disconnected, so we're gonna go bad number. Now, Russ, Esanti Tool. Guy's name is Russ. Copy and paste. There's a name in there. You don't have to worry about that till you get a little better at it. Hey, Mike, is Russ around or? Oh, he hasn't. Okay. Hey, maybe I got some bad information. Mike, my name is Bill Davis. I'm with actually Midwest Industrial Supply. We're like the pretty much the MSC in the Midwest. You've probably seen us maybe at the IMTS show, but we're one of the largest dealers of surplus tools in that and inserts. And I really just wanted to see if I could start sending you my monthly specials. Would that be okay? Why is that? Wow. Hey, tough crowd. Tough crowd today. Well, that's 2 calls, so at least I'm getting a hold of people though. And obviously it's like same thing for me when I first start making calls. I got to work out the kinks. This is a bad number. And we're gonna have to go through these leads because these are leads I got that about 5 years ago were all current, all really good. Yeah, hi. I was looking for Russ, please. Yeah, Carl Lendenbaugh. I'm with Midwest Industrial Supply. You know, the guys in the little red trucks. Sure. No, that was the secretary. She's getting them. I can push live answer, and that's the only way I can transfer calls if I have live answer, but realistically all my buttons are on that first screen, so the only reason I would need to push live answer is if you got someone interested and you're going to need to transfer the call. Otherwise, I really wouldn't worry about this button. Use everything from the first screen, it just makes it easier. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Actually, I was gonna send him. I guess they were the jobber drills or whatever. And I was supposed to send him a list, but I forgot. I don't have your guys' updated email, and our new catalog is actually all in PDF format. You want to just shoot me his email, and I'll just send it to him that way. Okay. What is it? TEN 9605 at yahoo.com. Okay. Should be there in a second. You have a good day, ma'am. Thank you. Bye. I'm going to pause dialing just to show you what I just did. The secretary answered, so I basically just played it off like, hey, I'm supposed to send them a catalog and give me the information. She gave me the email, so I entered the email while she was giving it to me. And um, and at that point, I got to go back here. So now it's basically going to, this would already be in there, but I let it lapse for a minute because I had it on pause too long. But as you can see, if it does that where you have to push that in, just send it in on your own. See, now it says hoping to help. You don't need to, and then you just lock it, and now that it's gonna actually send that email here. There it is. Boom. So now it just sent him the email, the catalog, and all that. And see, I still work out kinks too. Like it just skipped one because I wasn't positive what to do there. So Tom Kurtz. Okay. Now just hang up. We'll send an email. So this is the one I use most of the time, no matter what, unless it's like a callback or something. Then you're going to want to go to live answer. Okay, no answer, so I couldn't really leave a voicemail message. So let's just hang up and go to the next call. And okay, it's giving me a busy sign, so that must be a bad number. Now, if it's a voice, like an answer machine, it'll automatically light up an option that says leave voicemail. Like right here, answering machine. See? I'm going to leave a message, leave voicemail. Boom. Now he just got your message. Okay, I got about a minute and a half left before my time runs out here. Hey, Russ. Hey, Russ. Bill Davis, Midwest Industrial. You might have seen us like at the West Tech or the IMTS show. We're actually one of the largest dealers of surplus Midwest Industrial Supply. We're like the MSC of the Midwest. We're like a huge surplus carbide insert dealer and other tools. I just wanted to see if I could start emailing you my monthly specials. That's all. That'd be all right, wouldn't it? Okay, Russ, what's your email? I'll also send you a link to our catalog too right away. What's your email? Engineer, not engineering, engineer, right? Okay, at Yahoo or AOL? Did you say at yahoo.com? AOL. Oh, AOL.com. Okay, great. All right, well, I appreciate it. You should see that in your email shortly here. It'll have a link to our catalogs and a little bit about us too. So, and I won't bombard you with spam or anything. It's like one special email a month, okay? All right, have a good weekend, Russ. Thank you. Bye now. Okay.